I don't even know. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, what's up? My name is Janelle, and today I have 5 easy styles done on natural hair. They're really simple, they're quick, they're easy. They take me only probably 10 to 15 minutes to do. I think that they'll be super cute for the upcoming spring summer season if we ever get out of quarantine and have anywhere to go. I have nowhere to go. I hope you all enjoy this video. Make sure that you give it a thumbs up, and let's get into the video. So we're gonna start now. This is really old hair. Like, I haven't washed it in a while. I need to wash it really bad. I haven't washed it because I'm lazy. I've been sitting around in my house doing other stuff, not worried about my hair at all. But we're gonna wash it after this video just because I'm gonna be using product, well, some product in it. But this is pretty much what we're looking like right now. So the first hairstyle that we're gonna be doing is the first hairstyle that we're going to be doing today is faux bangs with a high puff. So we're going to start with just parting for our faux bangs. I'm about to just use my fingers. That looks about right. So I'm gonna put this hair in the back in a ponytail because it'll be easier when we're focusing on the front bangs. So we're gonna drench this in water right now to get the curls back because the front is not as curly anymore just because it's older. So we're gonna take the spray bottle. I just have regular water in it, and I'm gonna spray it to death. So after this, you're gonna take a comb brush, and a lot of people call it a lot of things. Me and my family call it a comb brush, and I'm just gonna comb it out, try to bring the curls back. So as you can see, the curls are starting to come back in now. This is where you want to put your product in to hold the curls. So I'm going to be using this Cantu I'm going to be using the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. Just looks like this. And this is what I'm just going to put it on the front of my hair. A lot of people don't like Cantu products, but they actually work pretty well for my hair. Not to mention, I know what the results will look like. I do use Shea Moisture products as well, but these ones are usually better for holding my curls. And at this point, I'm just gonna scrunch the mess out of it. My hair has a lot of shrinkage, but when I comb it out, obviously it's a lot longer. And to help it get to the bang, like the shorter bang, a little bit faster, I'll just scrunch it up. And this is probably as good as I'm gonna have it right now. So yeah, and we can move on to the back while that's drying. So my back of my hair is still like super scrunchy. There we go. The back of my hair is still like super scrunchy. Scrunchy. The back of my hair is still super crunchy. So what we're gonna do is just spray it and then slick it up into a puff. Be sure not to comb the ends of your hair because you want the puff to still have some leftover curls in it. I'm gonna take my scrunchie. I don't use the scrunchies with elastic, like the rubber band in it anymore. These ones are like fabric, like elastic fabric. Doesn't have the metal part or anything like that. It's a lot easier for me to use these because it doesn't get like stuck in my hair as much as the smaller scrunchies do. So we're just gonna put it up. So I probably wrap this around there maybe 3 times just because my hair is kind of thick and it's a huge scrunchie. So Now I'm just going to fluff it to my liking and finesse the bangs how I want. So I like to pull some of the hair over to the sides and then have like the shorter ones in the front, like so. And I don't do my edges with this hairstyle just because my hair is covering my edges, so it's not like you'd really be able to see it anyway. And this is our finished look number 1, faux bangs, a nice puff. So hairstyle number 2 is pretty similar to hairstyle number 1. We are going to still have the faux bangs, but instead of a high puff, we're going to do down in the back with this super cute scarf as a headband, like right in the middle. So we're going to keep the faux bangs, and we're going to just work on the back for a second because it is a little out of shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to fold my hair sort of under towards my face and put the scrunchie on it to hold it while I work on the back. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your spray bottle. We're basically just going to spray the mess out the back of the hair because we want it to come back down to our shoulders and get back to the shape that we're looking for. So after you've sprayed it, I'm pretty much just going to pull it on it. So after you've gotten this like sort of round shape, well, this is my like the shape that I like to do. You really just configure it to however you'd like. But this is pretty much a good shape for me. The curls are a lot less noticeable here, obviously because the hair is a little older, which is fine because that's not really the focus of this hairstyle. So next you're going to want to take your scarf. This is like one of those, what is it called, satin scarves from the hair store. And I'm just going to fold it up into like a little rectangle. And I'm going to take it and lay it right in the middle of my hair. So you want to put it right in between your faux bangs and the hair in the back. And then you're going to take out the faux bangs and spread them out so that it can kind of blend in on the sides a little bit. And now you'll just have like a peekaboo scarf up top. Like this. And that is the finished look number 2. It's really easy, especially if you've gone a few days wearing the faux bangs, because all you have to do is then work on the back, like the back of your hair. And if you have easier to work with hair like mine, then it won't take long. All these hairstyles probably take me around 10 to 15 minutes depending on how much work I have to put in. So I think this is really cute. I'm excited to wear this summer and in the springtime when the weather stops acting like trash where I live. That'll be great. But this is just what the scarf looks like. So that is all for look number 2. We're now going to move on to look number 3. We're going to be doing a really easy space puffs hairstyle with a little bit of a twist in the front. So we're going to start with by just parting up our hair up the middle. This is already kind of parted. So you're just going to part it right up the middle, and then you're going to want to separate like very small pieces in the front, like small. You're going to get your 2 little small front pieces like this. And then we are going to work on the back. And then we're going to just put... So you're going to want to separate these 2 front pieces like this. I'm going to put a bobby pin on them to try to hold them in like together in the front. And then after that, you're going to want to part your hair all the way in the back. All the way to the back. And then you're going to want to put one side away. I put one side away just because it makes it a lot easier for me to work on one puff while the other one is out of the way. So with this piece, you're going to take your spray bottle and you're going to spray the perimeter. You're going to take your gel. I'm choosing Eco Styler gel. And you're just going to apply the gel to the perimeter of your hair that you just brushed down. And you're going to put it in a bun. You can also do this with like higher puffs or lower puffs. I do like mine like sort of in the middle. Not like super low, but also not like at the top of my head either. I'm going to get something that looks like this. It's one puff. And we're gonna do the other side now. And you're gonna end up with something like this, kind of like looking like little. What? Now you're gonna want to take your front two pieces out. I'm just gonna spread the two front pieces with water now. Separate it, and then I'm just gonna twist mine sort of like a finger coil. And you make sure that you leave the bottom out because we want a little bit of curls there at the bottom. You take this side and do the same thing. And now you kind of have these little like, oh, these did not curl right. I need to fix that. So now you have these little like dangly curl things. And it's even better after they dry because then they literally like won't unravel. Right now they're like a little flimsy just because there's nothing really holding them. But we're now going to do my edges using the Eco Styler once again to do my edges. And this is the finished look number 3. I think that is super cute. I can't wait to wear this. I think that's just really cute, and I like how this looks. I feel like it'll be really nice with like streetwear looks because I think it gives it a little bit of an edge in the front. And yeah, let's move on to look number 4. So for the last and final hairstyle, we're going to be doing a cute little side part slick bun. It's going to be a process because yikes, but it's okay. So we're going to just start by parting the side. Now this is where it starts getting a little tricky because we got to slick all this down, but I think we can make it work. You're going to take your spray bottle, okay, and you're going to spray the mess out of all of this. What's most important here is the top layer. At least for me, I know for some people you might have to take a couple more steps when putting your hair in a slick bun. But for me, I just need to wet the top layer because that's what we need to really like flatten. So we're pretty soaked right now. We're going to take our comb brush again. Literally, just comb through that. We start applying the gel. Once again, we're going to be using the Eco Styler gel. We're going to grab a lot of gel. You're going to rub it together, and we are going to apply it over here, around the back, and especially on the side. You're going to need a regular brush. And start fine brushing the top layer all the way around. Woo! My part. So we're gonna take our scrunchie here, and we are gonna start putting it in the ponytail. With mine, I kind of like it to be further back, not like a serious swoop, just because I like to be able to show my edges a little more on this side. You need that to be tight. Whoa. And we're almost done now. So we got it pretty slick right now. Now that we have it in a ponytail, though, we're going to take a little bit more Eco Styler gel, and we're going to apply it to the top layer all the way around. And we're going to go over all of it. I think that it turned out pretty well. I usually don't do these that often, but actually I'm kind of feeling this one right now. It's cute. And this one is probably the one that takes the most amount of work, just because depending on how thick your hair is. So that is all for the video today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure that you leave a comment down below if you tried out any of these hairstyles. Also, make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below, and the bell icon to be notified every time that I post. Also, make sure that you follow me on my social media. That will be in the description box and in the end screen as well. And yeah, make sure that you give this video your thumbs, because I would love to have your thumbs, because, you know, who doesn't love thumbs, right? And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!